G'day, Pimple here. Well, this has been interesting. So this is open now. Mauer 71111. I made a metal 2-in-1 stainless, which is heaps stronger than the brass one. So when I was going through, I mean, obviously I pulled this thing apart to make these, but even you can feel the gates at different stages. So sometimes I couldn't feel the back ones at all, and then other times I'd drop into a false set, and then I could feel quite clearly the gates, and so I mapped it anyway. But then to go back and pick it by feel was quite hard, because every time you'd moved one of the back ones, some of these front ones would flop, and you'd go back and it would just be basically a lottery. So I made this gauge, and it looks like blatant decoding, but there was a bit of a process here. But actually, it might just be, I don't know. It seems like this one's got super light springs, and the levers just want to do their own thing. So at any rate, I'll pick it now, based on the combination that I decoded, not just by looking at the lever pack, but you could actually feel it. I had about 5 or 6 attempts at this by feel, and I came super close. But then, like I said, it's literally a lottery, because it's not predictable either. Sometimes you'll move a lever and then a couple at the front will just shift. I verified this by actually taking the cover off and doing it, because it was just all over the show. But anyway, here goes. So the tensioner on the bottom there, I bored the hole in there. That's actually solid bar. And here goes. So the first one we're aiming for is a 2. Which is there. I've got markings on here. So first lever's 2, second lever's 2. Third lever's 1. Fourth lever's 1. So we've got 2, 2, 1, 1, and then we go another 2, which is already there. And we got a 4, which is actually already there. Hang on, or am I mixed up? What have we got here? 2, 2, 1. So that should be a 1, which it is now. 1, 1. Then that one should be a 2. Okay, so that's not actually binding, which means 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, there we go. So that's now slipped into 3. And then we're open. So I'll bring that up there. But even then, that was different to the last time I picked it. It's actually quite cool. So I'll just demonstrate that. And pull that off. And pull that out. This thing's super easy to work on. So quite a cool mechanism in that there is a blocking mechanism that stops the bolt from coming up and tensioning this until that lever there allows that to come up. So it usually tensions about there, and then here's the lever pack here. So like I said, I made the graph using these, but I actually decoded it by feel, if that makes sense. I just couldn't pick it by feel, not good enough yet. Thanks for watching.